Hi, today I'm going to make these really delicious chocolates shaped as Christmas trees. Perfect for the holidays and very easy to make. Things I'm using are, this is aluminium foil. This is a tray in which you can use this. These are icing cones. So I'm taking two sizes. One is slightly smaller than the other. It should just fit in like so. White chocolate, dark chocolate, and these are all confetti, different kinds. So this is colorful beads. These are golden beads, and these are some star-shaped confetti. And this is gold color powder for. Now take the foil, just open out a bit, and then depending on the size of the chocolate you want to make, just cut out a square. And from this square, cut out an arc shape. Just cut a slightly circular line so you get an arc. Now take the smaller cone. So I've cut a slightly bigger piece. Put it like this and fold this tip over and just press the foil and then just press over one side. Like so, and then just fold over the other side. You can put your finger in the cone and then just shape it. Try to just smoothen it out. And then just take out the cone. So you get a cone shape like this. Now take the bigger cone, one which has a slightly bigger mouth, and take this cone that we made, put it inside like so, and with your finger just smoothen the sides, holding the tip so it doesn't slide out. Smooth like that, and you can even insert your scissors and try to make a point. Like so. So I've melted the dark chocolate. Now just stir it well till it becomes nice and smooth. Now take this cone that we prepared and first just hold it and put this chocolate in it. Like so, and just tap it with your finger so that the top level becomes straight. And just put it in this tray and put it in the freezer, in the fridge, for it to set. Now I've taken the golden powder in this, and this is the star-shaped confetti. So I'm just mainly going to use the white ones. And this is some water, so just dip it in the water, and you have to work a little fast because this is sugar confetti. Just tap off the extra water and put it in the gold color. and then just leave it out to dry. So it will look like this. Made another one in the same way. So after the chocolate has set, just take it out of the cone and then just open out the thermocol, the foil. You get a cone like this. So I made others. Some of them are slightly small and some of them are big. So I've melted the white chocolate. Just stir it to get a smooth consistency. Should be nice and flowing, like so. And it shouldn't be too hot also. So now just take a little bit on the spoon and put it on top of the cone. Let it just flow down the sides. And then take some colored confetti and put it on that. And take the golden one also. Now take these stars that we made earlier. So hold it like this. Just dip a little bit in the white chocolate and put it on top of the tree. Let it set. Another way, just take a cone and just drip lightly on it. So you get these lines. Like this. Then again I'm going to just cover them with these sugar balls. And these golden ones. Like this. And again just set it. Take a star. Just dip a bit in white chocolate and put it on top of the tree. Like so. So I'm going to finish the others.